Hi guys, it's Sandile Mansu from TDL, Trillion Dollar Legacy. We added once again. We put the post out to allow the ladies to come through and become a part of TDL. And these are among the first of TDL first ladies. Ladies that will be trading the Forex market successfully and the binary options market successfully. So maybe let's just hear what they have to say and how their experience was so far in the week. We'll start this side with Ubuntle. Buntle, my assistant as well. Buntle, what can you share? What have you learned?
Well, it has been a very prosperous week, very profitable. We've only been here for 3 weeks, guys, and we've never lost a trade, like not even one trade. I mean, it was excellent. Big ups to you, boss.
So like you heard, there's not lost one trade, and it's not like I'm there all the time. I showed them what to do and they did it. This is some of Buntle's results today. As you can see right there, you know, she traded again on top of what she did yesterday, and you can see all blue, Baba. All blue. So Buntle is really heading up Forex pretty well and representing the ladies. And then I have another person right here, how you saying? All the way from the Val, representing Val, what up? So what do you have to say, Inta?
Ahmed, it's been a wonderful journey so far. We're blessed to be here. We're enjoying, we've been taught very well, we're learning very well. Yeah, so it's a wonderful journey.
Yep. And she's been handling binary options pretty well. I mean, we made a post today of all the trades she did. And as you can see here, all of those 5 out of 5 trades, she only lost 1. So win. And then again, we have our social media guru over there. She's going to be keeping you up to date with posts on wherever and wherever. Kamo. Yes, Kamo. Tell us what's coming up. What do you have for all those who are following TDL?
I feel if I tell you, then you're not going to be, like, just watch. Please be on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, TDL, Trillion Dollar Legacy. Just keep posted. Amazing things are coming up.
Amazing things are coming up, and thanks to her, we're on Twitter. So from us, the team, we're saying TDL, we're going all the way up. TDL, peace out, Trillion Dollar Legacy, check us out online, peace out.